This video will show you how to replace the wireless WAN module in your ThinkPad. The process in this video will work for the ThinkPad P14s Gen 7. You will need a screwdriver kit, a non-metallic pry tool, static safe tweezers, and 20 minutes of your time. Caution: to avoid damaging your device with electrostatic discharge, work on a hard flat surface. Use an anti-static wrist strap and mat, or discharge static by touching a grounded piece of metal. First, you must disable your built-in battery before removing any parts. Disconnect the power adapter from your computer. Press the power button. Tap the F1 key repeatedly to enter the setup menu. Select the config menu. Select the power menu option. Select the disable built-in battery menu option. Select yes in the confirmation box. The system will shut down and the battery is disabled. Loosen 8 captive screws on the bottom of the system. The captive screws do not come out of the base cover. Do not try to remove them. Starting near the hinges, lift the cover to release the clips and remove the cover from the system. Remove the cover from the wireless WAN card. Disconnect the antenna cables from the wireless WAN card. Remove the blue antenna cable from the guide. Loosen the captive screw on the bracket and remove the bracket. Remove the wireless WAN card from the slot. Insert the wireless WAN card into the slot on the system board. Insert the posts on the bottom of the bracket into the holes on the system board and tighten the captive screw to secure the wireless WAN module and bracket in place. Connect the orange antenna cable to the orange terminal on the wireless WAN card. Connect the white and gray antenna cable to the white and gray terminal. Connect the black and gray antenna cable to the black and gray terminal. Insert the blue antenna cable into the guide and connect the cable to the blue terminal. Install the cover onto the card. Place the cover onto the chassis, inserting the edge opposite the hinges first, and press down around the edges to secure the clips. Tighten 8 captive screws. Plug in the power adapter and connect it to your computer to re-enable the built-in battery. You can find links to additional resources such as repair guides and the Lenovo parts store in the video description. For even more resources like user guides and manuals, visit the product page for your device at pcsupport.lenovo.com. For more information on your Lenovo devices, subscribe to Lenovo Support on YouTube.